Hello and welcome to Acadlix LMS. In this video, I will show you how to download, install and activate Acadlix Pro on your WordPress website. Once activated, you will be able to unlock all the premium features and receive automatic updates directly in your WordPress dashboard. So let's get started. First, open the Acadlix website and go to your account page. Enter your email address and password, then click on the login button. After logging in, you will see your account dashboard. From the dashboard menu, click on the software. Here you will see the Acadlix Pro plugin. Click on the view button. On this page, you will find all the available versions of the plugin. We recommend downloading the latest version so you can enjoy the newest features and improvements. Click on the download button. The zip file will be saved on your computer. Now let's get your license key. Click on the license button. Then click on the reveal license key. Your license key will now be visible. Click on the key again to copy it to your clipboard. We will use this key in the final step to activate your plugin. Now open your WordPress admin dashboard. Go to the plugins and click add plugin. Click on the upload plugin button. Next click choose file. Select the Acadlix Pro zip file that you have downloaded earlier. Click install now. Within a few moments, WordPress will install the plugin. Once the installation is complete, click the activate plugin button. Congratulations, Acadlix Pro is now installed on your website. To unlock all the premium features, we need to activate the license. In your WordPress dashboard, go to the Acadlix and then license. Paste the license key that you have copied earlier and then click on the activate button. That's it. Congratulations, your Acadlix Pro plugin has been fully activated. After activation, you will unlock all the Acadlix Pro features, receive automatic updates, get access to the latest improvements and enhancements, and build and manage your online learning platform with ease. Acadlix LMS is designed to help you to create powerful courses, quizzes, live classes, and much more, all from your WordPress dashboard. Thank you for choosing Acadlix LMS. If you need any help, our support team is always here to assist you. Start building your e-learning website today with Acadlix LMS.